Osan kwani dini neke no gani osife ni organiso ule okwani Ajel Shibu Wenanyi Okwani TV director Mr. Uche Sam. I watch your program Ketene with the topic them Iwepu Setani. But I na video. Obide community ni kusha ine video bushi. Ishoko Bishoko until the youth of Ndokwa nation are marrying their important webo ye Okwani. The federal government can recognize where. Even the state government actually can recognize where. Because ni ijile nefo ifene ne meni corona or medical she Ndokwa nation I did the new bazo because of nation maybe when they represent any but on for when they represent when they represent anywhere one they represent the Ndokwa nation as a whole if actually mukua bushi elena bushi Ndokwani dina produce oil in that state. But I contribute to the economic growth of that state. Yeah, but we recognize Ndokwa nation, the youth of Ndokwa nation in that our region. Ni koro na ejiri nekume elo bodo kere no na eje koro ya fo ashi ọ na-eje ekpe ọ na-echi na ekpe nji na mmiri bushi inekuma kọrọ when security forum were inaugurated in Yoruba, the Osanda governor didn't carry Yoruba where they were Degbamani baje kushu washi ogbu kenene ni para ifogo then short for too much for so reason so we wearing their own security vigilante or was power but Yamaroshi ni me benunu where did you choose those things now one of creative way the Ariwa youth was an be yen de Yoruba couple 21 days or couple 14 days ultimatum she were close to that thing. Now these are youth obushi in the region only if when I contribute to the economic growth of Nigeria. That where money where ofonu where kuku if anywhere kuni ya name koro Nigeria nekume na Ariwa youth na where the bu second where the bu kobu madepo first Nigeria kobu where the were Nigeria because I in na kobu also nanyo I bu joint venture because ndewe Nigeria ma ndewe Nigeria ndebe bia ma sure we ba bia based on the way fene na aga but in all the dele no na not until the Ndokwa nation youth ekpogba me Mofunu na Paruka. Federal government can recognizing that region as a nation a region non a producer of Igbo. Because it didn't know now. If you also know what name or nya didn't anything. Only if only akukudu na epukumeni. Only if you didn't many. So the youth are na Paruka. The youth adi wagadani enwe ni mufunu yashi na bushi mpariko na adi too much an organisu kena na nyukwa ni mention ngo organisu gwe organisu kena no ni organisu kena nwunye opafunu ike mpari obushi oshi na yeshi kobu senator kobu governor kobu as assembly member organisu we will na destiny dozo. Because if I can kushi kini shota ki kushi senate for on the mademo onye obushi ona collective fe na ka senate no o se beku ni ona rugwe ko no na aru ke ono na aru all the region they produce of Igbo ni Mendokwa nation school adaya region they produce of Igbo ni Mendokwa nation upa adaya region they produce oil ni Mendokwa nation uno ogwa adaya onwe fe dani then I pusa we shi ni wona aru ugwe iti jogbu na enweye na ba basaji na okwu ke obiaroko masaka no obiaroko masaka na agwa mshi oshi not kifekenu meni nto afuori ani okwu kenunu but nde kenyi not na ni we not na ni enu okwu kenunu but I shall won then represent and why won't for any representing because I won then represent into a visit for that case. Marry the cost in that then marry the family work at capacity. But nothing like that. Obabu fi job way. Now ukake bobushi maru jenida ruoru. Of security when our security in the company agbabu fuwe then one na posashi yabe wonye ke protest ni wonye ke protest ni government je ke were mu igbe kenu kikeje marishi we are recognizing Ndokwa nation as they produce region they produce of Igbo to the growth of the state. Then we kushi now in the America now or when the moon wa push maybe one way or when the umbunda di in the sense that maybe where the kind best side or wezu okay. The government now call those kind of children $1,600 every month, $1,600 every month. Ọbaburu onye zuno kesi ni ishibi roku jene ọrụ agbagbofu eye de ya gwa dem ma shi obe protest ya funu shi impari ko organize ka yin organize ko obafu ni kenzuzu onye no di ni office eye ACD na egbe yo oku ekike oku oto no ko oku okay now ndem maru de eje si mara na-eje mogo mara ifeshi karị je n'ọnụ ka ọ bụ karị je n'ọnụ na-eje mogo mara na-eje na-ezu maraka izu maraka adị na sọpọtụ oshio okorobịa marụ n'ishọtọ na ụlọ ya n'ụtụtụ kwụrụ akpa marụ ka ogo marụ je na-ezu maraka ọ bụ enye ọcha ya o ego ya na-ebuse ya because some region I always only produce of Igbo. Okay, now they never did be very married in that community as security man. Abojina ministry a member kwani nebeni about only youth legend in school when a certificate. Didn't the youth take a deep pani about bushi oru security oru mena job yakwa na eye tewe bu the region na produce of Igbo no ya funu shi the thing job ojobu na enweye when I present onwe igreshi kenene bu ebe ifuwe we na adosa etie na okwane ke bushi onye dosa odoru tie na ekpa onye dosa odoru tie na ekpa ukwane the corner ibi of Fedogbu na my brother. So those two people know where Gbaguru no osi place where protest berun all the staff did wa chufu unto afu the outcome of if you bully those two people and obuashi kenu so we can take responsibility of those two people where Gbaguru and their family. So the thing will not do my brother. I believe she the right thing. She was in a men and no quani. Then represent and she was representing Koma. all these things they can die. Now you could put the 9% of whatsoever then abia okaka no kwan. Yeah, but that 9% ordinary reflecting na so ndamar, ordinary reflecting na bu page, ordinary reflecting na bu development, ordinary reflecting na bu school, ebe on reflecting. Also in the cushion the 9% they did ebobuna, but the 9% they get ordinary reflecting. Ordinary reflect na ndamar. Inekume other community yebe wure be ne ukwan ya fasha ukwan in dukonazo and in the opportunity kire na aduashi ndi youth enyi ife shi na rio da youth enyi bishi be we frishi yilolo yeyolo gwe eweru ofu okwa weri ye inabasakofo okwa kanu ye weri zip on ya paru woka ojogbu na enwe. Because can you upon sabotage? Can you go upon a betrayer? Yet to refresh when after she bring it up some matters. Then we show okay, they like the money can you push it for me? So I will go for quiet. So we will go for quiet coffee now. If you can eat made there, only akushi many. Don't want shindo the car. Pusashi kwebido ne me issue a webe me. Odobune because ukwana anyandi na agani so and the opportunity na agwa osando kwani nation not until the Ukwani nation are bear together, all the Ukwani nation youth are bear together we win one voice okabushi we yolo Abuja babu so samantana atwanya Abuja ya the last bus stop Abuja enwe boundary, Abuja enwe shonye na enwe je onye ya disposal jeni. Osando kwa nation youth jini wofu nu. Pusa yolo fuboshi, Abuja na anwaya. Where pusa fuboshi yolo block all these company anymore fibo, Abuja na anwaya. Because in a corona bodo Nigeria corona, the youth were married number one, Arewa Youth Forum, OPC, then this Biafra now. All this marginalization national bush ndama pusanishe watu in this name we trying to no dikewe so we unke authority ni fedi ni kewe because oshi maybe osancha na no ogu kenene shi antreka no de kenyi ifo bene na pusane anu kwani ofibo bene na pusane benu I we the right of eleni kai trying kai ni memeye but this one ayewe right aya the youth of Arewana we didn't benefit from the government from the president, we didn't benefit from the governor. Where Koku presidents nanu, where Koku governors nanu. Now this security we created in Hausa and Yoruba we condemn now. This Arewa people we bunzo raising on terminator. Because when the president nation when the voice when the unity when they are respect where ofunda no biaso shindi bodini ifini when you know 21 days kwe locate where get back to the region. Are those people not youth? Does it mean those people have no opportunity work where of work to the other work you put on the way? But can you boo Ukwani nation or you come from the local government chairman oku About the job in so can you need a oku or she fake affecting no affect all ye only affect no ye no affect the bitch in the room only affect the bitch in the room no affect your own community because you can't show phone those two people were good. There should be a mass protest to call the government in question where be compensating that family. Now the family of Keye Obiaroko Masakashi in the Kuma Corona anything pasa Ukwane or the leftover because Ayandi Nwe ezigbo representative also Ayandi Nwe ezigbo representative all these things can name me and also when any oil company now operating in our region I want to go we can employ a graduate tie na ezigbo ọnọdụ those condition ndị shekiri dị na condition dị ka unu karị ndị obodo na condition all those oya compo and we goriri ntị ya because agba yi ka egbe onye ka were onye gụ na akwụkwọ tie n'ime office opportunity pụsachi onye nụ dị n'ishi na nke mara shi lokebe chọrọ olokebe were shi ndị eke tie n'ime ọrụ but onye ije na-echefu na security ka onye security man webdo na recruiting na mashi when the staff security man ka mari so dogbu na-enwe so njogo ke na-arịọ all the youth in Ndokwa Nation si anyị bịagbame ka anyị nwofu onu ọchị imebe no matter the position ị nọ na ile rodu bụ ịdị na-ekwu okwu dịka ebusa bunyu ndọkwa enu ọ bụ ife ọjọọ because ndị unu na wetu ete na akwụkwọ bụ senator ka bụ rep ọ ka bụ wanti wetu na shu kwe ka anyị nwee ndị na-ekwu na yini bụ wadị na-ekwu na nso ka anyị wụrụ ọnụ anyị kwu with our action ogwe n'ife ndọkwa youth na dịka ememe na ndọkwa kọrọ nọ Channel TV na-achọsawa Channel TV na-ebu na news when the can step ndokwa youth dey take in that Ndokwa Nation Channel news will bueyebu but when all these things are in eme in this senator or this House of Assembly member no onwe ti fake abasani o fake abasani ndokwa so ndị oge na-agwa ọsa Ndokwa Nation youth wee kpọgbame ni kwa shimara we nyumamri no fuzo no bofu we kpọgbame we did protest the one company for 2 hours or 1 hour wamanishi owended in that region but without that this imagination and sabotage and impunity it will continue now ofogonogo and abife job bo enwe so that man put an she yabe we ke protest ni ndani kika isu ndani yakwa na amari ndani na egbu the future of the youth ndani na egbu the future of the youth they ofigbo na operating in my region agame won so ru labor aburu security man but ofigbo in my region in na agwa me ofigbo ndani data ni me ajis our region na o sha anya awusa ka o dey iwu opposition won ofigbo di na awusa di nete okwa we ni tito sawencha then the nete no okwa we tito no sawencha what the most ofigbo di in the region also ofigbo di in region wa ndena bu ndo ofigbo di in region we di nete okwa we dey then ndo bu ofigbo di in region we what bu gate man then he did a kudo one senator or one House of Assembly member oye 1 million yanga oye 2 million yanga oye 5 million yanga all the yeka okamashi jinoni paroka development abasani in your community or in your region ye bido na aro osho na akụ 50,000 osho 50,000 kwa na akụ no nwa that is where your future start to shine. Obu keman ye kapusa ye 500k ojina yeni yeka because that 500k oyeni is that very son wa kenene in kene bere adjust and wa kenene and upon that always they go kenu weje koi o be weje koi so can ye when organize not until you know this ndana represented manshu na maro ifu me they will not change weje ka change. But when man fushi ayama wo ifine emeni wadi change onye jabuja de okuku obeba gwa anyi de exactly fu ekuri nebo if obuna pusa na wo agwa yin to me so na gogo shi the 9% owo fo na eje bo na eje kwe me kwe ebuje jenu buzo ju enwe ajuju shi the 9% then which area has this 9% reflect and the koku protest kwe tiejeye because we tiejeye ebe ku moto de kon moto we dey block tie ni so ye idi na enu eye o be nu de ka inu ike gu ya sala ye because we tie go no eshi we top before we ka top nde no nation ishi nu anya na eke na ajesa nde no nu we ke bulasha na eri na we mutashi atugbe wanta yanyi anyị na efe we ka. The youth of Ndokwa Nation should stop selling their destiny by voting who Onyobushi was supposed to vote to. Because anytime you vote no Onyobushi with vision, you are vote out your own vision. So dik oku the judgment taking place. I think I would want to personally and can then in the neighbor. So nobody take a TOB ni judgment in Nigeria. Onye no pusu ne pusu because as far as Nigeria is concerned, Nigeria is being governed with leopard and destiny destroyers. Then the Okushi will check it the whole team in the election. The fourth man, the Chiribaburu only win in the case, and the whole thing is clear there. So once you qualify now, if in the caliphate you can become anything you want to become. But that you want to become, you can marry the part of you can affect it at that particular time. Okay, then you can marry the part of you can by affect it. But in that Kenya marry, you walk off where she don't worry, you become the senator or the this, but this is the area you or she buy what about no problem or at the end, if in any area G, if in an atoji dini or the assistant atoji or dini more geno. Can you marry a like pusa once and for all? Also, she one place so. Yabu company did all your company did let all the Ndokwa youth gather together, get to that company, go and she and show the eligible office need this company now. Without that, my brother, if you didn't many Kadiko name me. So economic Ishagwari yo.
I